Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Meesho and signing in, then immediately go to the product you intend to buy. Once on the product card, tap it to load the details page. This is where size info lives. Make sure you see product images and the size selector near price and color. If the page is slow, pull down to refresh. You want the latest size chart and availability before proceeding to measurements and selection. Once done, scroll to find the size chart link or the size dropdown. Tap Size Chart if available to open exact measurements. You should compare the chart values, usually in cm or inches, to your own measurements. Measure chest, waist, and hips using a tape measure and write them down. Also note seller notes about fit, whether it runs small or provides stretch, because that affects which size you pick. Make adjustments based on intended fit and layer allowance. Finally, select the size that aligns with your measured numbers and the size chart. Then check that the chosen size is in stock before adding it to cart. Once added, review the return and exchange policy. This ensures you can correct a wrong fit without hassle. If something goes wrong, like unclear measurements or inconsistent sizing, message the seller directly from the product page with your measurements or opt for one size up for safer fitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.